Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is LeetCode 1008, in which you just have to construct a binary tree from a pre-order traversal. Okay, in this question there isn't given a pre-order which is stored in a vector, and you just have to make a BST. Okay, so in this question you just have to make another function. Let's first I write the code. Tree node star root, which is new tree node pre-order of 0. Okay, first I will create a root node, which is the first value of pre-order, means 8. Okay, and then I will pass the value for int I equals to 0, I less than pre-order dot size and then I plus plus, and again you just have to insert is my function, so root comma pre-order of I. Okay, and after that you just have to return root. For let's make the function insert and tree node root comma int val. You just have to check if root equals to null, then you just have to root equals to new tree node val. Okay, and write the else if condition. If root ka val is greater than val, then you just have to check if root ka left is equals to null, then you just have to root ka left new tree node val. Okay, and after that you just have to return else insert root ka left comma val. You just pass this value, and after this condition you just have to write the else condition again. If root equals to null, if root ka right equals to null, root ka right equals to null, then you just have to create a new tree node equals to new tree node val. Okay, else you just have to insert root ka right comma val. This is a void type function, so we don't have to return anything. Let's run this code whether this works fine or not. There is a compiler error 18 root ka left. Okay, again there is a tree node of capital and small 31. Let's run this. Error, what the error underscore for int I. Okay, let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, thanks for watching my videos.